Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with comparison with a problem related to TEKS 5.3a, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got two different lengths of hiking trails that we've got here for Trail A and Trail B. And we've got a few words we need to think about in our question. Approximately does let us know we do not need an exact answer. And as you could tell, the two distances they gave us are decimals to the 10th place. All of our answer choices are in just to the whole number. So that's one clue, even if we miss the approximately, that we are going to need to do some estimation. And then secondly, how many more? All right, so how many more is something that makes us think that we are going to be comparing two quantities. So when we think of comparison, we need to think about measuring the difference between two different quantities, and they are right up here. So I'm going to just label this as my first quantity, and here's my second quantity. All right, so I can represent this with a strip diagram. But it's not a part-part whole because we're not combining them because these are two separate quantities that aren't being joined in any way. We just want to measure the length of both of them. Before we do that, though, let's go ahead and round both of those. The problem doesn't tell us which uh, uh, place value to round these to, but let's just go and round it to the nearest whole number or the nearest ones place because look at all our answer choices. They're all to the ones place. All right, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you two different ways to round. So 3.7. By fifth grade, we should just kind of memorize the algorithm here. What we do, we're going to the ones place. So that means the way I do it is I underline the place I'm going to, and I'll put a circle about the place to the right, because that's the place I'm looking at to see whether this number stays the same or goes up. So 5 and up go up, so 7 is definitely more than 5. So that's going to add 1 right there, and then it always goes away. And any numbers to the right of it always go away. So that means it's going to go to 4.0. I'll just call it 4. In third grade, we also learned about using number lines. And so in case um, we need to visualize that we can. So we're going to the whole number. So what are the two whole numbers that 3.7 lands between? I'll put 3.0, 4.0. We need to find the midpoint. So what's between 3.0 and 4.0? Call it like 30 and 40. It would be 35. So where does 3.7 land? Right here. Anything from the midpoint on goes up. That's why it goes up to 4. So we could do the same thing with trail B. Right, so 8.4. Going to the whole number, we're looking next to it. 4 and less, it just goes away. Nothing changes with the 8, and that 4 goes away. So that means it's going to be 8. Now, if we wanted to visualize this here, this one's going to be a little bit closer to the middle, but we're going to get that result of 8. So we're going to the nearest whole number, so we need to think, what are the whole numbers that 8.4 is in between? Well, 8.4 is going to be between 8 and 9. We need to think of the midpoint, since it's decimals. If you want to look at it without the decimal point, you can. What's in between 80 and 90? It would be 85. So 8.5 works. And remember, anything at the midpoint or above goes up. 8.4 is going to be right here. So it's very close, but it's not quite at the halfway point, which means it's closer to 8.0. So that's why it rounds down. Now, if I want to represent this with my strip diagram, I would just draw this right here. I would say this is trail A, and then I'm going to say trail B. And just to make it accurate, let's make sure our trail B is longer. So this is about 4 miles. This is about 8 miles. What I'm looking for is what's this distance between trail A and trail B? What's that going to be? That's 8 minus 4, and our answer is B.